Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. To all my dear viewers and subscribers to my channel, thank you so much for watching my vlogs or my premiere everyday. I have here a recipe for you or a menu. This is a grilled beef. This beef is 2000 kilogram. Look at this. So first you have to prepare your meat. This is a big portion of meat, 2 kilogram or 2000 grams. Then clean the meat and set aside. Then prepare 3 pieces of carrot. Slice the carrots into half or 4 times. So 1 piece of carrots makes them 8 pieces cuts. Then cut the mushroom into half. Just take 10 pieces of mushrooms. Then prepare garlic. How many? One complete garlic. Just clean and slice into 3 pieces each. And then prepare a cardamom and prepare garlic powder, paprika powder, black pepper, and beef bouillon. And prepare like this. This is from Germany, Zumbraten Delicate sauce. This is a sauce powder, okay? Sauce powder to be mixed here, or you can use the goulash powder. Goulash powder. In Germany they call it goulash powder, or in my country we call this one as apretada mix, okay? Just to make the sauce colorful or little bit brownish. So all you have to do now is to prepare a pan, a tray like this, baking tray. Then now first step, you have to prepare the pan. Put cooking oil into 3 tablespoons and heat the pan with the cooking oil. And the meat, you have to season it with garlic powder. This is the garlic powder. Season this meat with paprika powder, black pepper. You have to sprinkle it in the meat, and then add this beef powder, okay? If you want a little bit spicy, you can add chili powder. Then when you have already seasoned this meat with all the seasonings, fry the meat into the pan and turn it back to back until the meat becomes a little bit brownish or golden brown. And then set aside in the same pan. Fry the onions, garlic, mushrooms, carrots, and add 4 to 6 pieces of cardamom. Okay, when you finish already stir fry these ingredients, these carrots, mushrooms, and garlic and onions, add into the stir fry onions and carrots, add the meat into the pan, and add 4 to 6 cups of boiling water. Look at this. And bring to boil the sauce. And then when it is already boiling the sauce, you have to prepare a baking pan like this. Put the meat in the center and pour the sauce, this one, pour it into the baking pan and put this pan in the oven, here in the oven, for at least 1 hour one side and another side 1 hour into a very low heat. You can just put in 150, very medium heat, okay, so that the meat will be cooked very well inside. So we need to have only medium heat, so you have to turn the meat back to back, okay. Then you try to check the meat. If the meat is okay, it's ready. So this meat is ready to be sliced. So later I will slice it like this. And this is my recipe for today. Look at this. This is a very yummy meat. Look at this meat. This is a very big portion. Just simply cut or slice this like that and serve this in your plate, and add the sauce on the top of the sliced meat like that. And you can serve this one with pasta. You can boil a pasta and put the pasta in the side of the table, or in the side of the plate, or in a separate plate, and this is also in another plate. Or if you want, put this meat, sliced beef, in the big plate and put the sauce like that when you slice already, and then put the pasta in the side of the sliced beef. And that is how to serve this meat. This is original German recipe, braten Rindfleisch, or I don't know how really exactly they call this one. Braten means a fried meat, but this is being fried before we put this in the oven. But this is a grilled, actually this is already a grilled beef, okay. So I hope guys you get my point, get my instruction of how I prepare and grill this meat. In the special occasion, the German people, they cook the beef or the meat like this, a big portion. This is big before, but since it's already cooked, so it becomes smaller, okay. So this is how they cook the meat, and after they will just slice it like that and serve it in each of the plate in the table, and serve also with some salad, potato salad, and some pasta. So this is how they serve it during special occasion. Okay, thank you for watching, and again, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Vielen Dank, for watching this vlog, and I'll see you again in my next premiere. Vielen Dank. Bye-bye. Terima kasih. Eparesto puli. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat. Chichi bidang. Bot chukriya and shukran jazilan for always supporting Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.